The GoPro Hero 12 Black is the latest and greatest action camera from GoPro, and it's no slouch. It offers a host of new features and improvements, including 5.3K video recording at 60 fps, 4K video recording at 120 fps, 1080p video recording at 240 fps, 27 megapixels still photos, new GP log and HDR recording modes, improved battery life, built-in tripod mount, image quality. The Hero 12 Black delivers stunning image quality, with exceptional detail and clarity. The new GP log recording mode is a great addition for filmmakers who want more control over their footage, while the HDR mode is perfect for capturing scenes with a wide range of light. Stabilization. The Hero 12 Black stabilization is simply the best in the business. It can smooth out even the most extreme shakes and jitters, making it perfect for capturing action-packed footage. Battery life. The Hero 12 Black has a new larger battery that delivers up to 40% longer battery life than the Hero 11 Black. This is a welcome improvement, as battery life has always been a concern with action cameras. Design. The Hero 12 Black has the same basic design as the Hero 11 Black, but with a few key additions. The most notable is the built-in tripod mount, which makes it much easier to attach the camera to a tripod or other mounts. Ease of use. The Hero 12 Black is very easy to use, thanks to its intuitive touchscreen interface. The new Easy mode simplifies the controls even further, making it perfect for beginners. Price. The Hero 12 Black is priced at $449.99, which is a bit more expensive than the Hero 11 Black. However, the price increase is justified by the improvements in image quality, stabilization, and battery life. Conclusion. Overall, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is the best action camera on the market. It offers stunning image quality, exceptional stabilization, and a host of other features that make it perfect for capturing action-packed footage. If you're looking for the best possible action camera, the Hero 12 Black is the way to go. Additional notes. The Hero 12 Black is compatible with a wide range of GoPro accessories, including mounts, mods, and cases. The Hero 12 Black is backed by a 2-year warranty. Score recommendation. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is the best action camera on the market and is highly recommended for anyone who is serious about capturing action-packed footage.
Got a feeling in my shoulder.